How to identify fake universities or colleges. It is very important to choose an approved and genuine university, institutions, or colleges to do your higher studies, as it is the first step to reach your career goals successfully. Since a reputed college is a platform which provides opportunities to showcase your talent and abilities. So, it is necessary to know which academic institutions are fake or genuine. Today, we are going to discuss 6 ways to find out if the institutions are fake or genuine. Always check the approval and recognition of the college according to the categories they fall into. Regular science, commerce, art, PUG and PG courses should be state government recognized and UGC approved. MBBS courses should be state government recognized, Medical Council of India approved and affiliated by a university. BDS courses should be state government recognized, Dental Council of India approved and affiliated by a university. Ayush courses should be state government recognized, Ayush recognized, Central Council of Indian Medicine approved. Engineering courses should be state government recognized, AICTE approved and affiliated by a university. Always check the different types of university which you come across. It is genuine if they fall into the following types: Central University, State University, Private University, Deemed University. Let us take an example of how to find out the UGC approval. You can visit the official website of UGC, which is www.ugc.ac.in. After opening the site, click on the university option, in which you will see the different types of universities. Now click on the fake university option. You will see that it takes us to the list of fake universities in India, which is mentioned according to the state-wise. See, you can check specifically the list of the state for which you are aspiring to do the admission and find out. Some of the institutions' infrastructures are always projected by edited photos by using 3D graphic to attract and highlight their websites and brochure. Bright and colorful graphics are used to display attractive images as a marketing technique. Advertising is done using wrong photos for representation by using 3D animated pictures and videos. Also note that these universities or institutions almost always focus on online admissions and registration process to avoid the students from visiting the campus and make comparisons. Institutions always promote their academic faculties by advertising their full-time professors to be a highly qualified leaders, which mislead the students and convince them to take admission in those colleges. The photograph of the renowned IIT and IIM professors are displayed as the permanent faculties. But remember that they are just the guest lecturers or the speakers. The popular professors are advertised as a full-time faculty to draw attention of the students who want admission. They are displayed as the face of the college when they actually visit the college for very few times. The placements records are highlighted with false information and fake report. These fake reports show that the 100% of students are getting placed every year and are recruited with high number of top companies. The previous years of the placements records are manipulated to show a high placement rate, and sometimes the colleges have paid the associations and partnerships. Some of the colleges always allow only the highly qualified students to participate in the campus placements and calculate as 100% successful placement rate. Some institutions make false promises and do not deliver their commitment. They lack the basic facility, usually have a cheap infrastructure, low qualified professors, and irregular classes. They only attract the students by false promises of providing extra facilities like foreign trip, free laptop, and additional certification programs. Free laptop which are provided are just for the namesake with low specification and which is not enough for the academic requirements. The foreign academic trips are usually to the local and undeveloped countries. They are promised of 2 weeks with a complete schedule, but the fake colleges only manages to accommodate for 5 to 7 days with basic side views. There are many scam in academic certification programs because institution initially offers many programs and workshop, but during the academic year they are removed and students do not get what they have been promised. Being in a digital world, nowadays most of the students choose their colleges depending on the ranking and rating of the institutions or university without checking from which source it has come from. You might sometimes be thinking that most of the colleges advertise themselves as number 1 or number 5 even if they don't deserve it. Most of the institutions' ranking are given by an unauthorized body or unfamiliar body instead of an authorized government body. Since the college itself contact them to be ranked as top 10 or top 5 by paying them for it. This tactic is done to attract the students since it helps in increasing the market value of the college. You will be also shocked to know that most of the ranking websites and online educational portal give a high level ranking for few low grade colleges. Here the colleges play the major role by money. Since most of the colleges awards, rating, ranking are paid. These things are done for promotional activities to highlight their brand. So students, from these points we conclude that it is very much necessary to not only look into the achievement of milestones of college but also to check the authenticity of the source from which it has come from. Hence students, be very smart and very careful in choosing a genuine college for you. Do not forget, choosing a right college is as important as choosing a right course. That's exactly where Galaxy Education Services helps you with a complete career guidance. We are giving a complete comparison for all your shortlisted colleges with a genuine reviews and ranking. For more details, visit our website www.galaxyeduworld.com or do contact on the below numbers.